Hello, my name is Hugo Balta, publisher of the Latino News Network and an accredited solutions journalism trainer. Welcome to Climate Solutions Journalism, a community-informed and equity-focused approach. I am pleased and grateful you have decided to invest your next 2 weeks with us. You will learn the key principles of solutions journalism, what it is, what it isn't, and why it's important, and how to make it happen from idea to reporting to completed story. I will walk you through how to apply solutions journalism to climate change coverage. The media's coverage of climate change has shown that it can turn viewers away. While reporting on the negative aspects of climate change raises awareness, it also discourages people from taking action. The first lecture will dive into breaking the mold of climate doomsday reporting, telling the whole story through solutions journalism. Steve McLaughlin, Emmy Award-winning meteorologist at NBC6 South Florida, will be our first guest. He will delve into how solutions-based journalism provides a more comprehensive view of the climate situation, empowering audiences and policymakers to make well-informed decisions about the way forward. In week 2, Swati Sanyal Tarafdar, an independent journalist and accredited solutions journalism trainer, will show us how solutions journalism can improve your reporting and how to incorporate climate-related information into your stories. She will also talk to us about the impact of a solutions journalism approach compared to the more conventional, here's the problem we've uncovered story. In my lecture, I will show you how to use data in telling the whole story and the importance of respecting the lived experiences of communities without being exploitative. Remember to check out the course syllabus. It will outline the course's goals, what we'll cover each week, and a bit about the great guest speakers who will be sharing their invaluable experiences and insights. And make sure to introduce yourself to your fellow classmates in the student lounge. If you have any questions about the platform, submit them in the questions for the platform forum, or if you have a question for me, post it in the instructors forum. It's going to be an exciting and engaging 2 weeks. Thanks again for joining us.